Hi friends, Sangita here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just craving for some chatpata snacks. So thought let's make some soya and oats cutlet. It's really yummy and nutritious as well, and it's easy to prepare. So please try this recipe and leave your comment in the comment box. If you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button, subscribe my channel and share this recipe with your friends and families. So let's go ahead and see how I make it. Now the dough is ready. I'll give it a cutlet shape now. You can give any shape as per your choice. Now that cutlet is ready, I'll prepare the batter. I took water here. I'll make this batter with plain flour and I'll add little bit corn flour as well. 1 tablespoon of corn flour. I'll add little bit salt and little bit chili powder here. See the consistency. I'll dip this cutlet into this batter, and for crunchiness I'll roll it on the oat. So cover it nicely with the oat. So it's done. Hope you guys like the recipe and will try it. Leave the comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.